I have never been so excited about a Chromebook. I am here at CES 2020 and Samsung just unveiled the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook. Now you know Samsung wouldn't name something with its famed Galaxy brand if it wasn't good, and boy is this good. I mean, just look at the display. Honestly, you shouldn't be looking at me at all during this entire video, because right here we have the first laptop with a 4K AMOLED display. It's a 13-inch display and the colors look incredible. It's extremely detailed. This is one of the most gorgeous displays I've ever seen on any laptop. Now, when we're talking about firsts, there are a ton of them with this laptop. Not only is it the first with a 4K AMOLED display, but it's also the world's thinnest Chromebook at just 0.55 inches. Not only that, but it's the only Chromebook with a 10th gen Intel Core processor, and it's a U-series processor. This is a Comet Lake processor, so you can expect really high performance. U-series processors are really rare in laptops that are this thin, so I was super excited to see that Samsung somehow found a way to pack it into this device. There's also another really interesting feature about the Galaxy Chromebook, and that's that it has two cameras. One on the base, and just a regular webcam up top. Now this is what they call the world-facing camera, and it's for a couple of people. First is for developers who are making AR apps, so using Google's AR Core development kit. It's also for students who want to just flip this around real fast and take a picture of a whiteboard or notes or whatever's up, whatever their professor might be showing on a screen. Now inside the Galaxy Chromebook, I already mentioned that U-series processor, that's up to a Core i5. You can also get either 8 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 256 gigabytes of storage. That might not seem like a ton of storage, but remember, this runs Chrome OS, which is a cloud-based operating system. So you're going to be uploading most of your stuff in the cloud anyway. Now, the Galaxy Chromebook comes in two colorways. There is a Mercury Gray, which looks nice, but not as nice as this. This is the Fiesta Red, and boy, does it look great. Samsung continued the red not just on the base, not just on the lid, but also on the keys and the touchpad. So the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook is a pretty expensive device, as you might have guessed by everything I just told you. It'll start at $999 and launch in the first quarter of 2020. I'm personally super excited to review this device. I'm really excited to use it. I'm sure once I'm done reviewing it, I'm going to spend some extended time with it just to tell you all what it's like to use the first Chromebook with an AMOLED display. For everything Samsung laptops, everything Chrome OS, and everything CES 2020, this has been Phil Tracy at Tom's Guide.